Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
This accident took place in the vicinity of the Steertown roundabout on the main road heading from Ocho Rios. Reports are that the van, the truck that was coming from out of the toll road onto the main road, is that the brakes failed. Now, the cameras are now showing the driver there pinned down inside of the vehicle, and firefighters are trying to cut him loose. This accident happens on the morning of Tuesday morning at about 9:30. Further reports also reveal that the driver was coming up the hill of Chalky Hill, and brakes failed, and on reaching the roundabout, brakes left him. He was trying to make the roundabout.
People them a fight over the goods before them help the injured. You see? Now, if you listen carefully, you will hear when I say, this is Steertown. That is Steertown, Senton, Jamaica. It kind of make me just wonder, it kind of make me think, if you say that, it's like the people them more care about what them can get than what them can give, to give a helping hand. Can't believe so they really a fight. Can't believe so they really a fight at a moment so critical where somebody is injured in a truck. Anyways, the truck driver, got a little injury but no fatality. You see it? As it was reported, or as I was told, I should say. You see me? More should be up on that story. But however, the truck driver was not, there is no fatality. A lot of goods gone. Insurance company have got talk, is it? But what really and truly amazes me is that the people them actually a fight over the goods while there's somebody injured in the truck. It's like I can't really express myself looking at that part of the whole thing. What right there, so you see it? Anyways, I have to big up somebody on this one right there. So you see me, I say, Tyrone, big up yourself. You're a real fan of the Dancehall. You see me, I said to you, a true subscriber, and you know the thing already, and a lot more of my subscribers them have a big one up because you have been there showing the support and all these things. You see me, I say, I always try to keep up to date in what going on in Jamaica, and I can see that it's appreciated, and I appreciate that you all appreciate it as well. You see me? So big up to you, my viewers and subscribers. And as always, if you need to stay up to date, and if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. My name is Skilla, and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Big up on yourself.